The top 7 incredible uses of castor oil that you'll wish someone had told you sooner. Castor oil is a versatile and natural remedy that's been used for centuries for various purposes. Let's dive into these amazing uses. Number 1. Hair growth. Castor oil isn't just a staple in ancient remedies, it's also a secret to luscious locks. Packed with essential nutrients and fatty acids, castor oil has become a go-to for promoting healthy hair growth. By nourishing the scalp, it strengthens the hair follicles, reducing breakage and promoting thicker, shinier strands. The oil's natural properties, such as ricinoleic acid, work to improve blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring the delivery of vital nutrients to the hair roots. Regularly applying castor oil to your scalp not only helps prevent dryness and dandruff, but also stimulates dormant hair follicles, encouraging them to produce new hair. For optimal results, massage warm castor oil onto your scalp and through your hair. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight before washing. Incorporating this simple routine into your hair care regimen may lead to remarkable improvements in hair quality, leaving you with the gorgeous, vibrant hair you've always wanted. Number 2. Deep facial cleansing. Unveil the natural radiance of your skin with the power of castor oil. Often overlooked, this multi-purpose oil can transform your skincare routine. As a deep facial cleanser, castor oil gently lifts away impurities, makeup, and excess oil, leaving your skin refreshed and rejuvenated. Unlike harsh soaps that strip your skin's natural oils, castor oil's antibacterial properties effectively cleanse without disrupting the delicate balance. It's especially beneficial for sensitive skin, soothing irritation, and reducing acne. Research confirms that this oil's deep penetrating abilities help prevent clogged pores, making it a formidable weapon against breakouts. To use it, simply apply a small amount of castor oil to your face, massaging it in circular motions. Allow the oil to dissolve impurities, then rinse with warm water. You'll be amazed by the difference in your skin's texture and appearance. Embrace the natural goodness of castor oil and discover the secret to a cleaner, clearer, and more radiant complexion. Number 3. Relief for constipation. When constipation strikes, consider turning to a natural solution, castor oil. This time-tested remedy offers gentle relief without the harshness of synthetic laxatives. Castor oil's unique composition makes it a mild yet effective choice for easing bowel discomfort. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil acts as a lubricant for your intestines, promoting smoother passage of stool. It stimulates peristalsis, the rhythmic contractions that move waste through your digestive tract. A small dose is often sufficient to provide relief without causing dependency or disrupting your body's natural processes. To use it, consult your doctor for the appropriate dosage and method. Castor oil can be ingested directly or mixed with a mild beverage. Keep in mind that while castor oil can be a helpful remedy, it's important to follow recommended guidelines and consult a healthcare professional before use, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Discover the natural comfort of castor oil for addressing occasional constipation and supporting digestive well-being. Number 4. Remedy for arthritis. Discover a potential ally in the battle against arthritis discomfort, castor oil. This ancient remedy is gaining recognition for its anti-inflammatory properties that offer relief to achy joints and muscles. Arthritis, characterized by painful inflammation, can hinder daily life. Castor oil, when applied topically or ingested in consultation with a healthcare professional, may provide relief. It works by reducing inflammation and improving blood circulation to the affected areas, helping to alleviate pain and increase joint mobility. When using castor oil as a massage oil, warm it slightly and gently rub it onto the affected joints. Alternatively, combining a small amount with a pinch of ginger in tea can provide internal support for arthritis symptoms. Remember, while castor oil shows promise as a natural remedy for arthritis, it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider before incorporating it into your regimen, especially if you're already on medications or have underlying health conditions. Empower yourself with nature's potential to ease arthritis discomfort with the gentle, anti-inflammatory benefits of castor oil. Number 5. Relief for insomnia. Restful sleep is essential for well-being, and if insomnia is interfering with your nights, castor oil might hold the solution. While individual responses vary, some find castor oil's calming effects helpful in promoting relaxation and better sleep. To potentially benefit from its properties, consider this simple ritual. Before bedtime, apply a small amount of castor oil to your eyelids and gently massage. The absorption of the oil's nutrients may help induce relaxation, easing you into a peaceful slumber. Though more research is needed to fully understand castor oil's role in sleep improvement, this natural approach is worth exploring if you're seeking non-pharmaceutical solutions to sleeplessness. Remember that sleep patterns are complex, and individual results may vary. If insomnia persists, consider discussing your symptoms with a healthcare professional to explore holistic strategies for attaining rejuvenating sleep. Number 6. Reducing wrinkles. Unlock the secret to smoother, more youthful skin with the age-old remedy of castor oil. Laden with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil is a natural choice for diminishing the appearance of wrinkles. The potent combination of these properties combats free radicals and supports the skin's elasticity, working to reduce the formation of wrinkles. Its richness in essential fatty acids and monounsaturated fats nourishes the skin, promoting a healthier complexion. When used consistently, applying castor oil to areas prone to wrinkles can yield visible results over time. Massage a small amount into your skin before bedtime, allowing it to work its magic overnight. While castor oil shows promise in reducing wrinkles, remember that skincare is holistic. Combining its benefits with a healthy lifestyle, proper hydration, and sun protection can enhance your quest for youthful skin. Number 7. It boosts the immune system. In the pursuit of robust health, consider incorporating castor oil into your wellness regimen. Castor oil, with its potential immune-boosting benefits, might just be the extra support your body needs. Research suggests that castor oil can stimulate lymphocyte production, a type of white blood cell crucial for a strong immune response. By increasing lymphocytes, castor oil potentially enhances your body's ability to fend off infections, viruses, toxins, and bacteria. While castor oil's immune-boosting effects are promising, remember that maintaining a healthy lifestyle, comprising a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep, is equally vital for a robust immune system. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your routine, and explore castor oil as part of a holistic approach to fortifying your body's natural defenses. Thank you for joining us today. I wish you improved health, well-being, and a brighter journey ahead. Until next time, breathe easy and take care.